those fish right there. Those are some nice looking fish on that tree. I'm gonna have to see if I can get them. So I'm gonna get my rod and let's drop some bait down there. This is my first stop. There's fish coming. He coming. You're looking at it. You see it. You see it. No way. There we go. And one came up and hit me. Oh, look at you, little. Look at the baby. Look at the baby. I knew you were small when I saw you chasing me. There's some bigger ones out there. There's some bigger ones out there. 20 feet out. I'm going to pitch a little bit and let myself fall. Pull it right into the front of this fish face. There he is. Come on, baby. Take it. Take it, honey. Yep, you messed around and took it again. That was a better fish. This was a better fish. We're going to keep you. You going to make the cut, baby. You going to make the cut. You are going to make the cut. So, that's 2 fish. So, let me get back with this. This is nice fish. There's one. Oh, nice bite, but I missed it. Well, I'm trying. They're finicky. They biting light today so far. Anyway. Okay, didn't mess with them that time. Now this was a really, really old dirty bait. Let me put a clean one on there. It might have smell of oil or something on this bait. I'm not sure. I'm gonna try another one. I'm going back with Crappie slime. Here, that's another one of those Crappie baits by CMI, of course. I'm using a 1/32 ounce jig today too, and I changed this out the last time I came out on the water to this 1/32 because I've been using 1/16. It's an adjustment to wait on the fall for the different size baits that you have, and I just recognized this right now because I didn't pay attention when I put it on. But it's a 1/32 ounce jig. This is that Crappie slime by Crappie baits by CMI, and again, this is my second day out fishing with this new rod that I got from Southern Crappie Rods. And man, I'm still learning the feel of this rod, but I like it. I do. I just gotta fish with it a couple more times, and I will know exactly what I'm doing. So that's my commercial for those guys. Crappie baits by CMI and Southern Crappie Rods. Let's get out there and see if we can catch this fish. I wish I'd had a 1/16 ounce jig on now. I done got too impatient waiting on that fall for the 1/32. It's slower, but it's getting there. There we go. I'm right on them. Come on, Crappie. Here, Crappie, Crappie. Here, Crappie, Crappie, Crappie. Come on, Crappie, Crappie, Crappie. Come on, Crappie, Crappie, Crappie. If y'all don't bite, I'm gonna leave. I'm leaving. Tell y'all don't want me, just leave. Stay, don't leave, guys. Don't leave, don't leave, don't leave, don't leave, don't leave. Oh, y'all right there. Come on. Can't get them to move. They finicky. They funny acting. They funny acting. That's okay. That's okay. I'm okay. That's okay. Alright, they don't bite it this time. I'm gonna go find another school of them. I'm not begging fish today. It's evening. It's a really good evening too. There's not a lot of boat traffic out here, and I'm up on a high traffic area, but it is a Wednesday night, Wednesday evening. As I say that, here comes a big wakeboarder, but that's not gonna be a problem for me. I'm gonna go drop this, see if I can find, oh, there we go. Don't leave, oh, baby, got away. God dog. That was a good sized fish. But when they get away, they're as big as you want them to be. It's just a good fish story. And however big it was, she's still growing. All right, I'm on my next spot. Now, I'm not crazy about this spot. I can tell you why. Well, The reason why is because I'm fishing and I'm filming into the sun. I don't like to film into the sun because I'm not sure. I just don't like that kind of footage. So here's the difference. At least right now, the challenge that I have is I'm trying to, these real light bites that they're doing, I haven't quite got the feel of what those bites are. So I'm missing some fish because I'm not as familiar with this rod. See, like that. I did not feel that fish bite. But ooh, she's a biggie. That's a big boy right there. Got your black tuxedo on. You down here spawning in these trees. Is that what you're doing? You down here spawning in these trees. So I missed that light bite. And you can see, look how black this fish is. That's that spawn, that male spawning. So people think that fish only spawn in the shallow waters. I saw some biologists say that crappie spawn in deeper waters too. Right now I'm fishing, what, 30 feet of water? 31 feet of water. And I just caught this black tuxedo. So that's a nice fish. That fish chased me all the way up. A bunch of them down there. I seen him chase me up after that. I missed him twice. Man, this battery ain't lasting for no time. Got him. Another one of them faint bites that gotta get used to. You're small, you going back. You got to go. Go on out of here. Now, get. Oh, it's warm out here, folks. It ain't summertime yet, and it's blazing. Well, I feel like it's blazing. I just ain't used to the heat yet. That's a nice fish. That was a nice one. She's a biggie. She's a fatty headache. Whoa. Whoa. Come on now. Calm down. Let me get this out of you. Let me get this hook out your mouth there, buddy. Let me get this hook out your mouth. I can't feel too good. There we go. So these are hitting on this crappie slime. That's another 12-inch crappie. Another nice fish. Decent fish in this hole today. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Come here, you. All right, I guess I'm going to have to call Lamar or Pastor Graves. One of y'all got some fish today. Oh, I threw him off the back of the boat. Got to be more careful. Short. Rebounded off the back of the boat. Well, that one ain't getting cooked today. I'm missing a bunch of fish today. I don't know what to do. Oh, well, that's again. I'm still getting used to this fishing rod here. It's real sensitive, and that rod tip might be a little bit more flexible than what I'm used to. So that might be what I'm missing. Versus that instant thump from the little bit more rigid rod on the Bass Pro Shop one. So when you move fast, and then you stop it, they'll come and hit it. That's what I did. I had it run off, stop, and they come up and struck it. That's what it was. Did a little quick reel. Look at the baby. Look at the baby. Good, he gone. Got you that time. Got you that time. I felt a little nibble. You might be 10 inches. I think you might be 10. Come on. Come on. Oh, my arm is killing me. Ouch. Oh yeah, you definitely gonna make the cut. You gonna make the cut. No question about it. All right, I'm going back to Bleeder Monkey. We'll see what we do with Bleeder Monkey. Caught him on the, whatchamacallit. That's a nice size fish. I might need to net her, but I'm gonna be hard-headed. And I made it work. I should have netted her, but it worked. That's a good fatty. Back to bad positioning again, but it's working. Come on, hook back, baby. There you go. Thank you. Look at this big hair, big on hell. That's probably about a pound fish. Come here, you. Not sure what this one is. I'll put him on the scale just to see, measure it. Turn the camera a little bit that way. So, this one. Nah, this is a little bitty thing here. That was a little bitty. I felt that when you hit it, you a little bitty or something. Get on. Hey, get my hook back. Get my bait and I'll let you go. There you go. Thank you. Thank you for your kindness. Look at the baby, folks. Look at the baby. Get on out of here now. Get. That's another little one. Come here. Get on out of here. Get on out of here, little baby. Little baby. Itty bitty. Itty bitty. Get on out of here now. Get. I done missed the big one. This little, oh, I'm calling you little. You gonna make the cut. You gonna make the cut. You are gonna make the cut. I don't know if I got that on wide lens or not. I need to put it on wide if I don't. I called you little, but you gonna make it. I'm not that little. Don't call me little. I'm 10.5 inches. I'm on fire. Yeah, you are. Come up out of there. That's a bigger fish. That's a bigger fish. Yeah, he's bigger. A bunch of y'all down there like that. He's as big as the other one, but you do. She gonna keep, folks. She gonna keep. All right, folks. I'm gonna wrap it up for the evening. It is. So it's 6:30, and I just wanted to come out today and see if I can put a couple fish on the boat on my some of my summer holes. Let's look at what we got here. I think I got about 10 of them in this live well. I got about 10 of them in this live well. 3, 6, 9, 10. I got 10. So my hand is kind of got a problem, so I won't be cleaning these myself. So I'm gonna call the Frays or Graves and see if they want them. If you're in this Oconee area, don't forget to check out my Airbnb. As always, folks, thank you all for watching. I appreciate all of the comments, all of the likes. Share this channel too. And if you have not already done so, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there along with that bell so that you get notified when I post new videos. Until the next time, folks, remember, the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Drysdale out.